So this looks good, except we want to also display this form in a sidebar that shows up across the site, like the core search block here. Let's go back to our view. The way we can do this with views is by exposing the form in a block. So let's set this to yes instead of no and click apply. When we do this, it's going to move the exposed filter into a block, and then we'll have to manually place it where we want to display it. Because it's now in a block, we're not going to see it in the preview anymore. Let's click save. Now because it's a block, we'll be able to display it in two different places based on different criteria. On the search page, we want to show a block at the very top, and then on every other page, we want to show a search form in a sidebar block. Let's tackle this one first. If we refresh the page, we'll see that the form is gone. So let's add it back in. We'll go to the block layout page, and we're going to display this above the content. So here's our content area, and our main page content is right there, so we'll want to display the form right above it. Let's click place block. We'll do a search for search, and here's our exposed form. Let's place it. And this one, we only want to display on the search page. So let's scroll down and select pages, and we'll set this for search and show for the listed pages. We'll click save block, and let's go back to our search page. I'm going to open it up in a new tab. Okay, now we see our form again. Let's go back to the block layout page and add a second exposed form in our sidebar second. We'll do a search for search, and here's our exposed form. We'll place the block. This time we'll leave it to display everywhere. I'll click save block, and now let's go back to our search page and refresh. So now we see our search form here and here. And if we go to another page, let's say the calendar page, we'll see our search form, and we can do a search from right here.